Alright, these are some basic animal sounds on the didgeridoo. One important thing is to keep your mouth moist. Don't want your mouth to dry out while you're playing, it'll make it much harder. I'm going to show you some different sounds. One of the most quintessential you'll always hear in didgeridoo is the kookaburra sound, which is and that's done by wild droning. Squeeze your vocal cords and go. It sounds very strange, not in didgeridoo form. There is the kangaroo hop, which is just while you're playing, putting your tongue, flicking your tongue against the end of your lips, just flicking it against there, and it's going to pause it. Now you don't want it to stop it; you just want a slight split-second pause, and it sounds like a kangaroo hopping. You can obviously do that at any speed. There is the dingo growl, which is going to sound like very throaty tone. Now you don't want to necessarily make your voice lower to do that, because if you just make your voice lower to make that sound, you're going to lose air pressure. So what you want to do is just try to at the same octave, because you want it to be at the octave that you're playing, because even though you are just pretty much blowing in a hollow stick, you are using an octave of your voice. You want to keep it the same octave, and you just want to get that, and then add in a little there is the trumpet sound, which is where you're going to keep your lips really tight, and you're not going to let them drone. You're not going to let them vibrate at all. You don't want the drone. So it's going to sound just, which I personally think is a good way to end off a jam. But, whatever. Now, warn people in your house if you're going to be doing that, because when you're starting off, it's going to be that's what it's going to sound like when you start off. But eventually, I can't do that. But, yeah, so those are some basic sounds. Trying to think if there's anything I'm missing. Just experiment, really. Just try things out. Try out various throat sounds. Try moving your tongue around different ways. Try fucking around with your cheeks. Just experiment some, you know. This isn't really one of those instruments where, you know, you open up a book and you read, okay, da 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 da. It's really intuitive. Let's figure it out. Have fun. It's a great instrument.